gotta stop and take a picture of
In
that.
a quarter mile, turn left.
This is very beautiful. Too bad I didn't get some more colors of the bloom, but this is very beautiful. If you listen real close, you could hear all these bees all over the place, but it's because all these flowers and stuff. As long as they don't bother me. Ouch! Ooh! No, you can't go in there. Come on. Old homestead up here. Wonder how many hundreds of years old it was. They had a little bit of concrete porch right there, so I don't know. And if you could listen, you could hear all the bees flying around.